Hello, welcome to Easy Wonders. You can see this beautiful picture with different color. This is a colorful combination. This is done by using Python Turtle graphics. Actually, just 10 lines of code done this picture. I can explain that code first, and at last I will show how this one is drawing. It will take some time. That is why I am doing that in last. Okay, we can just go through the code. First line, importing turtle. Import turtle as t. By importing turtle as t, we can use that t instead of turtle in the coming all lines. You can see here t.pendown. Instead of turtle.pendown, we are using t.pendown. At that time, it starts to draw. Then t.speed, turtle speed set as 0. Then it draw with maximum speed. Next is a for loop, I in range 500. That is, this loop repeats for 500 times. I takes values from 0 to 499. That is 500 times this loop repeats. Next to that, one more for loop is there. Instead of I, here it is written colors. Instead of I, colors as variable. Then range here mentioned as red, magenta, blue, cyan, green, yellow, white, orange. That is 8 colors we given here. While drawing, it chooses these 8 colors in this loop. Then t.color colors, that is the values taken by this colors variable. In each iteration, it takes different values from red to orange. Then t.forward I, that is I distance it forwards. That is, at first it takes value 0, then it takes value 1, then it takes value 2, like that. Small rectangles first makes, then it increases its size in each loop from 0 to 499. Then t.left 22222. This is turning left by a degree. In each iteration, it is turning left by this degree. This whole loop repeats for 500 times. Then after completing this, t.exitonclick, that the 10th line, t.exitonclick, this line is for exiting this Python turtle graphic. By clicking on this one, the graphics will close. Now I am going to click on that and I will show how to run this, and you can see the picture drawing completely. For executing, we need to take command prompt and Python spiral.py. I have given the name of this file as spiral.py. By entering, we can see the drawing. It will take some time. You can see each step by step. You can see how it is drawing. If you have any doubts, you can ask in comments. I will try to reply for that. Also, to get more videos, wonderful codes for this type of designs, subscribe my channel and click bell icon. I think you need to see this picture completing. Wow, it is beautiful. After drawing each rectangle, its color is changing. That's why it's taking this much time. But anyway, a very beautiful design is emerging from that. Actually, we are drawing rectangles, but in the middle of it, we can see it is forming just like a spiral circle design. Anyway, I think this is enough. The same procedure will continue up to completing that entire design. Thanks for watching. See you next time.